Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on your Gmail account. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. You can see that data and privacy. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. You can see here two options: download your data and delete a Google service. Tap on delete a Google service. Use your fingerprint. You can see that delete a Google service and many other options. Next, tap on this icon. You can see that delete your Google account. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. You can see here delete Google account. Tap on this icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully.